Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have a 2015 Nissan Versa, and in this video I'll show you how to replace your headlight bulbs. So it's a very simple procedure. First thing you want to do, you want to pop the hood. Here's our hood, pop it, and over here we have a latch. Find the latch and raise it up. Here's the latch, you have to raise it up this way. We need to find a stand for the hood. Here we go. And weird. Okay. And it stands like this. Alright, so let's start. Here we have our headlight bulbs. Okay, this one is high and low beam bulb. They are both same thing. It's one bulb for two lights features. So to remove the bulb, what we do, first of all, we just pull on the connector here. Just pull on it. Okay, you see, very simple. Now we disconnected the power from the bulb. Now over here you see this, the black round cover. Just peel it off. You just peel it off. As you can see, it's rubber. And here we have two pins, I would say. So you move one to the bottom and the other one. We open them, then we are able to move the bracket to the side and we get the bulb out. Very simple. I hope you guys that you have enough light there, because I'm filming it on GoPro. Okay, so this is the replacement bulb. Once you have the replacement bulb, once you got the replacement bulb from the parts store, you come back, find the correct position. It's not yet. Okay, yeah. Once you have it, you have to put the bracket back on. Okay, so bracket, close one side, close the other side, put the rubber piece. Okay, this prevents moisture and dust getting into the light. So I'm gonna cover it carefully. Okay, it's gonna take some time. Alright, and then we just take the cover and I'm sorry, we take the connector and connect it to the bulb. All set. Let's see if it works. Oh, not bad. Let's start the car and turn on the lights. Yep, all good. Okay guys, so yeah, this is how you replace it. The high and low beam light. Let's see, the turn signal should be also somewhere here. Yeah, and this right here, I believe this one, this is a turn signal. Okay, it's also very simple. You just spin it and get it out. Okay, spin it, get it out, replace. Very simple. Okay guys, so if this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye.